at the stairs.
Oh my!
Fix the stairs.
Look at this basement.
Oh my God!
It's such a huge change. It's fun and happy.
This is so, we could have never done this.
We've had a lot of obstacles, and, you know, that weren't necessarily lucky breaks, but we have, I mean, this is like we're the luckiest unlucky people.
We have 3 boys. Philip, who is 13 years old, Daniel, who is 11 years old, and we have Alex, who is 7 years old. Danny and Alex have autism. So all 3 boys do share a room upstairs. It's a little bit of a tough sleeping situation right now.
So are you guys ready to see your house? You guys ready to come home?
Whoa! Whoa!
This is all for you, Danny and Alex.
This is so awesome!
This is a full sensory room right here, and then bedrooms right there for both Danny and Alex.
Whoa!
I think we'll move down here. It's very touching to know that George and everybody found our story so heartening to come and help us. Sometimes when you wonder, like, who's out there, who really cares? And it just shows that, you know, people who we've never met before want to help us.
You guys want to go up and see Philip's room?
Yeah.
You ready to see your room, buddy?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah!
All right.
All right. Oh my God! Whoa! Whoa! Wow! Philip, you look at this.
That's great. Look at these cool
Wow!
pictures.
Look at TV.
Thank you very much, George.
Oh.
Nye was 3 years old when we learned about his developmental issues. I remember it like it is right now. I went to a doctor, he was tested, and the doctor said, Nye has autism. And I remember walking through the street, and it was so crowded and busy, and all I could hear was nothing. But I could see like everybody walking, I could see the cars, and I remember pushing the stroller, and I'm like, I don't know what this is, but whatever it is, we're gonna get through this together.
Raising a child with autism comes with its own set of unique challenges, and this family always rises to the occasion. But what he could really use is a sensory room. It's a place that can stimulate him with light and touch and feel. What's up, guys? Welcome home. Good to see ya. How you doing, big guy? Nye?
All right.
You good? So you guys want to see what we do with your basement?
Yes.
All right, follow me.
All right.
Go. Let's go. Whoa! Great.
Wow! Oh my goodness.
Oh, I didn't see the bathroom. Oh my
See
goodness.
that bathroom?
Oh gosh, this is like amazing. Oh my goodness, I can use the bathroom now. I love the bathroom. I love the bathroom. Before we had an outhouse, and now we have an actual bathroom with a sink. Joe, this is so, we could have never done this. Could have never done this. This is beautiful.
I think it touches every part of our family. I mean, you guys could somehow got a piece of Robbie, myself, and Nye.
And
Evan. That's the most touching part, I think, of the whole experience.
It is. Yep.
James is only 11, but he is mature beyond his years. Oftentimes, he is the third parent to his 2 younger brothers, who both have severe autism. What do you say? You guys want to come home? You ready?
Yeah.
Let's do this.
Excited. Let's see.
Welcome home.
Oh my God.
Oh wow. They're gonna love this.
It's such a huge change. It's fun and happy.
And just seeing the murals up there, and the bunk beds, and the lights, and the little lightning balls. Absolutely incredible. I'm amazed.
These sensory items in here is just the tip of the iceberg. You guys want to go up and see the actual sensory room?
Absolutely.
Go.
All right.
Oh my God. Oh my God. This is amazing. Personality-wise, I mean, it suits both of them so well. Mikey has his little reading corner, the fish for Joe.
The ball pit.
Yeah, right? Get in there.
Now they have the rock wall. They have the noodles, which are so cool with the lights.
I can't begin to put into words what this does for our family.
So we came in here and we wanted to do the bedroom for Mikey and Joey, and we wanted to do the sensory room for them, but we couldn't leave out the third parent, the third adult in the house. Welcome to the stadium.
Oh, holy wow. This is when you know he's super happy, because he just like...
To see James walk into his new room and be completely dumbfounded, he just looked around and he saw everything that he loves.
Our son Zachary is 12 years old. He was diagnosed with autism and he is nonverbal. And pretty recently he was diagnosed with ADHD, which is an interesting mix. He's just a mush and loves to hug and kiss and, you know, just be with, you know, me and Lou, and he's just a little mush.
We need George because we want to open up the space. We want to make more room so we can have friends and family over, we can entertain, and also we want to open it up for Zach so he has more room to, you know, move and run and not have to dodge around everything.
You want to see what we did?
Yeah.
I think we made your house a little bit better for you, all right? Shall we see?
Yeah.
All right,
Go
follow
ahead.
me.
Go ahead, Zach.
3, 2, 1. Come on in and check it all out.
Let's go. Oh my God. Zach, come on. Oh my God.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Holy cow.
So we changed it up just a little bit, opened it up that little, you know?
Oh. This is not even our house. Oh my God, I had to pull my mixer out. My little baking area.
And we built this wall.
Oh, that's Zach's chair.
Is this your chair? Is this your chair? Yeah. Happy. You're happy. Happy. We've had a lot of obstacles, and you know, that weren't necessarily lucky breaks, but we have, I mean, this is like, we're the luckiest unlucky people.
That's what I'm talking about. Mason was diagnosed with autism back in 2013. And although he faces significant developmental challenges, Rich and Jamie are doing everything they can to help him reach his full potential. Jamie has put her career on hold to take care of Mason and to be an advocate for autism awareness. And Rich has taken on a second job just to help with the cost of therapy. Jamie and Rich maintain a warm and loving home, but they are definitely in need of a safe space for their active boys. What's up, Richie? How's it going, buddy?
Hug.
Oh, thanks for the hug. You guys ready to see what we did?
We're really ready.
I think Richie's ready to go.
think
He's already at the front door.
Are
So,
you ready, bud?
Rich, lead the charge.
Okay.
You ready to come home?
Oh my God, the stairs.
Oh my!
Fix the stairs.
Look at this basin.
Oh my God. It's perfect.
This is amazing.
When we first came down and I just saw lights and colors and amazing furniture, and then the ball pit, which Mason went right into and was so happy.
Look at the smile on his face now.
Mason, you have your own ball pit.
I'll go into the ball pit.
Being down here and seeing all of these sensory toys that Mason will really enjoy, but there's also some really cool pillows everywhere, lots of colors.
You guys, this is amazing. I don't even know what to say.
I mean, for a kid that works so hard and struggles so much to like have a place where you can have fun, it's awesome.
Thank you so much for watching that video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video.